Namaste. My name is Minku. Today is my first day working at this restaurant. I'm a little nervous, but I'm ready to do my best.
Welcome, Minku. Every customer should leave with a smile.
Don't worry, boss. I'll give my 100%.
Can I have one special veggie burger and a fresh juice? Absolutely. I'll prepare it right away. Oh no! I made a mistake. I'll prepare a fresh one. Wow! This is the tastiest burger I've ever had.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Pizza!
Pizza!
Pasta!
Pasta! Sandwich! One order at a time.
Congratulations! You're Employee of the Day.
Thank you. I'll keep improving. Yeah!
वीडियोस बनाने हैं फिल्मोरा है ना।